Hi, and welcome back to Cooking with Josh.
And Babe.
And Babe. So today we have a really fun, easy recipe for you guys. Chicken shawarma grilled out on the barbecue. You can also do it in a pan inside if you don't have a barbecue, but chicken shawarma grilled out on the barbecue. And this recipe is perfect if you're like me and you're trying to eat somewhat healthy during the week, do some meal prep and stuff like that. There's only so many ways that you can eat chicken breast, rice, broccoli, asparagus. It gets kind of boring. So this is a healthy, simple, easy recipe that is delicious.
We love it.
Couple different spices.
We get it from different places even.
We order
really
out
yummy.
Chicken shawarma, chicken kebab plate, like a Middle Eastern type flair. So follow along. We're gonna do some barbecuing, some grilling, and a little meal prep. A little rice, a little broccoli. Healthy options. This is a healthy video, folks.
Here's our ingredients. Smoked paprika, ground turmeric, ground cumin, ground cinnamon, crushed red pepper, lemon, garlic, olive oil, salt, pepper, rice.
Rice, and a bottle of wine, and a roll of paper towels. Yeah, so basically what we're gonna do is that we're just gonna take the thin sliced chicken breast, we're gonna put them in that bowl, and we're going to put all the spices in and all that and just kind of let it chill for a little while I heat up the barbecue. So those are Foster Farms, no antibiotics, no hormones, thinly sliced chicken breast. And we're gonna put that in the bowl, and then we're gonna start adding in all of our fun with it, and then just kind of let it finish defrosting.
All right, so here we are with my favorite little tool, my Ninja food processor. We did 6 cloves of garlic, and these are pretty good sized cloves. Okay, we have our garlic chopped up perfectly.
That's a pretty healthy amount of garlic, babe.
Yeah.
So next, babe, we're gonna do about 2 tablespoons of olive oil.
Okay. 1, 2.
And then we're gonna juice that whole entire lemon.
Okay.
So the juice of the entire lemon. Let's do 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika. Not tablespoons, babe, teaspoons.
Okay.
2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, and then 2 teaspoons of cumin. Ooh, we're almost running out of smoked paprika. We use that a lot.
Yeah, it's good.
2 teaspoons of cumin.
I love cumin.
You love some turmeric.
Yeah, with like maple syrup and lemon in the morning. It's so good for you.
But we're only gonna use a half a teaspoon now.
Half a teaspoon, got it. Good for you. Okay. 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, ground cinnamon. A little red pepper flake.
For your spice. Salt and pepper to taste.
Salt and pepper to taste. None of these seasonings have any salt base to them, so I would say a little bit of salt.
And then we mix. We gotta get that mixed around really, really well.
This smells delish.
Well, while you're rubbing the chicken, I'm gonna go start the barbecue. We're gonna be doing this on the Weber kettle over charcoal today, but if you have a gas grill, propane, Blackstone, Weber, cast iron pan inside, frying pan, you get the idea.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Chicken shawarma.
Yeah.
How does
I kind of like the smell of the Weber better because it reminds me of camping. I love it. My little webby.
All right, open your little webby. All right, babe, so you're gonna basically place the chicken around the fire.
Okay.
Not over the fire, around the fire.
Around, okay.
That's grilled chicken shawarma.
Good.
Okay, I'll put the
Is that
lid.
right?
Yeah, I'll put the lid back on. Got some charcoal. Oh my goodness, it smells. Let's check the chicken. Choke the chicken? No, check the chicken in like 25 minutes.
It'll give us time to choke the chicken. It'll be good. I'm ready. Oh, babe, this is gonna be so good.
Oh wow, that does smell good.
Yeah. So, babe, can you talk about where you found this?
I actually originally found this recipe on Instagram, on like a weight loss Instagram. And it's just super good. Wait, what did you just say?
Good call on this recipe.
Yeah, of course.
It smells really yummy.
Babe, we've had this before. It's delicioso.
The little ones are
What does
okay.
this smell? Oh my goodness. It smells so good.
Let me grab a plate, babe.
All right. Oh, babe, the smell, it's so good. You're getting your Middle Eastern on. Oh, the hummus. Oh, yeah, the hummus. 4 different flavors. Oh, babe.
I wish we had naan.
Naan?
Yeah, that's the good stuff that you put it with hummus.
Oh, yeah? Mm-hmm. What about the tzatziki garlic?
Ooh, I wish we had that too.
I know, that's so good. You got your plate right here, which is awesome. You got your meal prep right here. Definitely. You got plenty of rice, hummus. It's going to be a great week. Okay, babe.
Ready?
Yeah, babe.
I mean, it tastes pretty similar to when we order out.
Babe, every time we make this, you're like, it's pretty close.
It's pretty darn good. Let's see. Rice on a bread cracker and chicken.
There you go. If you're looking for a healthy option, you're looking for a meal prep, you're looking for something different than just basic ass grilled chicken, you know what you need to do.
Lots of flavor.
Well, you went crazy. You were like, I love cumin. You know. You've had this. You know.
Okay, babe, are you ready to try it? Wow, it's like going into the Great Wall of China. You like it?
You did a lot of cumin this time.
There's a lot of cumin.
Yeah, normally you
Maybe a
don't
little
get
too
crazy.
much.
You got excited for the video. But,
You like it?
no, it's super good.
Okay, good.
That's chicken shawarma. Easy status.
Yeah.
All right, babe. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Say like and subscribe. Say
Like and subscribe.
Say turn that subscribe button into subscribed.